Music. Is Credit Achievers right for you? Find out in this review. We'll cover its features, ideal users, and how it works. Check the description for links to explore further. Credit Achievers helps repair your credit by fixing inaccuracies on your report and boosting your overall credit health. Struggling with denied loans, high interest rates, or trouble getting a mortgage or credit card? Credit Achievers can help. They offer a structured, effective way to identify and resolve negative items on your credit report. A standout feature is their personalized credit analysis. They'll review your reports from all 3 bureaus, finding errors, unverifiable information, and inconsistencies. They handle late payments, collections, charge-offs, and even incorrect hard inquiries. Using a proven dispute process, they work directly with credit bureaus and creditors on your behalf. Stay informed with their transparent process and frequent updates. Track your progress in real time. Credit Achievers also teaches you how to manage debt, optimize credit utilization, and build positive credit. These resources empower you for long-term credit success. Feeling overwhelmed by credit repair or short on time and expertise? Credit Achievers is here to help. Their dedicated customer service and results-driven approach make them a great choice for rebuilding your credit. With flexible pricing and a focus on measurable results, Credit Achievers can help you improve your credit score and unlock better financial opportunities. Ready to take control of your credit? Check the description for links to learn more and get started today.